Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Remember today, so many coins have been dropping, and Terra Classic hit over $1 billion. That was about a few days ago, $1 billion market cap. And we are all happy to see that. But Terra Classic have really dropped that. Terra Classic have lost about $220 million within the period of 4 days. That is a lot of money because it's not even easy to gain a market cap of $220 million. But I still believe all hope, of course, is still alive, because I believe that Terra Classic will stay pumped. What is happening, what we'll be experiencing, especially this week, because this is celebration week, a lot of people will try to pull out, a lot of people will try to withdraw some money in order to celebrate with their families or go for a vacation. So most times during this period, you see that the crypto industry market caps always drop down. That is why you can see from the last 2 days, so many coins have been dropping, and I hope that will not affect Terra Classic and also Bitcoin, because Bitcoin determines mostly the movement of all other crypto coins. If BTC is gaining, you see most coins will be gaining, and if BTC is losing, most coins will be losing. So I still hope to see that Terra Classic, after this festive period, I believe that early next year, 2023, we will be seeing Terra Classic hitting back at over $1 billion, or even hitting back at over $2 billion. Remember a few months ago, Terra Classic market cap hit over $2 billion, and we saw a rise in price. And Terra Classic developers are also working towards destroying the circulating supply and the supply of Terra Classic. Yes, I believe that next year we might be seeing over 1 to 3 trillion coins of Terra Classic being destroyed, and I hope to see this coin hit over 10,000% next 12 months. Of course, holders will be smiling, and we all be happy that Terra Classic will finally be hitting back to 1 penny. Hitting 1 cent is amazing, and that is what we are hoping for. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.